Crypto Daybook Americas. Fintechs. Funds hoarding Bitcoin, even as bulls pause for breath. Your day ahead look for May 16, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your new morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. The global crypto corporate adoption narrative is thriving even as Bitcoin BTC $103,619.16 and the wider crypto market take a bull breather, potentially establishing a base for a new high. Méliuz, a publicly listed Brazilian fintech firm, announced Thursday the purchase of 274.52 BTC. It now holds 320.2 BTC worth over $33.3 million. On Wednesday, Bahrain-listed Abraaj Restaurants Group disclosed an initial purchase of 5 BTC with plans to scale holdings significantly. Eric Trump, the second-eldest son of President Donald Trump, captured the feeling on day 2 of CoinDesk's Consensus Toronto event. "I'm traveling. I'm on a plane. Everybody in the world is trying to hoard Bitcoin right now. Everybody. I hear it from sovereign wealth funds. I hear it from the wealthiest families. I hear from the biggest companies." While the global adoption race no doubt favors a continued bull market, some recent developments, such as the crumbling bipartisan support for the Genuous Act aimed at creating a national regulatory framework for payment stablecoins and the Coinbase coin data breach, are concerning. While many are cheering Coin's entry into the S&P 500, it's been quite the week otherwise. Quinn Thompson, chief investment officer at Lecker Capital, said on X. Obstructing the stablecoin bill to prolonging their regulatory capture at the industry's expense, losing customer funds and jeopardizing personal data, and now an SEC investigation. What amazing timing, too, that this was all announced after the S&P 500 inclusion pump that insiders sold into. On Thursday, Coinbase shares tanked 7% as the exchange confirmed an ongoing SEC investigation into potentially inflated user metrics from 2021. Add to the pot that inflows into US-listed spot BTC exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have slowed, see chart of the day. Alongside large sell orders at around $105,000. FTX creditors are set to receive over $5 billion in distributions starting May 30th, as part of the second phase of the bankrupt exchange's court-approved recovery plan. All this indicates scope for price volatility in the short term. Stay alert. CoinDesk's Consensus is taking place in Toronto on May 14th to 16th. Use code DAYBOK and save 15% on passes. By Shaurya Malva. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai. Holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at Currency and Commodities Desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron and DOT. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, MANA, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.